Dear children, good morning to all. Last day we had completed our first lesson. Last week finished, notes also completed. Then today we are going to study our next lesson, that is the chapter 2, setting the page. Here in this lesson we are going to study the LibreOffice Writer software. We already learned the same software from I think from 4th class onwards we are learning this software. So today or this year we have to study how to set a page and how to format it. These are the things we have to learn. And also we have to remember our Malayalam letters, Malayalam fonts. That also we had completed in last year from 8th class. We had completed the Malayalam fonts. And our newcomer, Zach, do you know the Malayalam letters? If you don't know, I will send you. Okay. Then here in your text some Malayalam words are given and you have to you must write that Malayalam words in your book, and which are the corresponding letters you will use to type that. That also you have to write. Then we are going to our topic, that is digitize the seminar paper. So first of all we need a document. A big document we cannot type and complete. That much time is not here. So let us open a document that is kept in our school resources folder. So click on File, then Open. In the Home folder, there is School Resources, then Standard 9. School Resources, Standard 9, and in that 2 ODT files are available. One is shortstory.odt and the Malayalam document also there, cherugada.odt. Okay. Yes, I am going to open the shortstory.odt, then click on Open. Here a document of 6 pages. Here we get, and here the what are the formatting you can do here? When we get a paragraph or when we type a paragraph, first of all we will arrange its heading, then the alignment of the text, then font color, then if we need underline that also, like that all the formats we will do. So here also I am going to do this type of formatting. Then after that let us learn how to change the orientation, how to provide borders, etc. Okay. So I am going to change the heading style. That is, firstly I am selecting the heading, then font size I am giving as 22. Okay, then giving the color to the text. Okay, and the next is alignment as center because it is the heading. Okay, then here is many other subheadings are there, that also you can change. Okay, then the style of that letters also we can change. Okay, then characteristics, that also. Then italics, then predecessors, that also I am changing. Then here font color changed, then italics. Okay, then next next I am aligning the text. For that, the entire text, how can we select? By using Control A. Okay, by using Control A we can select the entire text. Then alignment means, here you look, the right side of the paragraph is not aligned. That is in different style it is showing. So here we have alignment types, 4 types of alignments, that is left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and justified. So I am selecting the justified option and see what is the changes. What are the changes? Okay, here the right, like this left side, right side also aligned. That is the alignment justified. Okay, and here we have to change the space in between the lines, means it is very near, no? So we can make the line spacing so format paragraph, select the entire document, then click on the option format paragraph, then indent and spacing. In that line spacing you look, that is single. Okay, we can change the line spacing to 1.5 and see the difference. Okay, or see the changes. What happened? The line spacing between the lines are increased. Okay, yes. And if you need, you can change the color of the letters and the style of the letters. I am giving the text as italics. Okay, then next, these are the things we already learned, not new. Okay, so here if we need to take a printout of this, Then what are the changes you will do here? That is the first thing we have to learn. Okay. So before taking the printout, we have to check the margins, then the other changes relating with this document we have to know. Okay. So to change, or if we need to change it, we have to select the option format, page, then page tab, format, page, again page tab. Okay, and here the type of paper, that is the paper format, isn't it? Paper format in A4. Because it is A4, the width and height is in the default style. Means A4 sheet in the default width and height is given here. Then the next is orientation. What is orientation? Means നമ്മൾ സാധാരണ പ്രിന്റ് എടുക്കുന്ന സമയം പേപ്പർ എങ്ങനെയാ പ്രിന്ററിലേക്ക് ഇടുക? ആരെങ്കിലും കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെയാണോ പേപ്പർ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് അതേപോലെ തന്നെയാണ് പേപ്പർ പ്രിന്ററിലേക്ക് ഇട്ട് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. പക്ഷെ ഇവിടെ ഒരു എന്താണൊരു ഫോൾട്ട് എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ, ഇപ്പം സാധാരണ നമ്മളുടെ ഈ ഒരു ബുക്കിന്റെ സ്റ്റൈൽ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ നിങ്ങൾ നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ കാണാൻ പറ്റും A4 ഷീറ്റിൽ ABC എന്ന ലെറ്റർ ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് ഏത് സ്റ്റൈലിലാണെന്ന്. അപ്പൊ ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ കൊടുക്കുന്ന ഈ ഹെഡിങ്, നോട്ട് ABC, എനി ഹെഡിങ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ഈ ഒരു പേജിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ കൊള്ളുന്നില്ല എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് അതിനെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? ഓറിയന്റേഷൻ സ്റ്റൈല് ലാൻഡ്സ്കേപ്പ് ആക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദി ഓറിയന്റേഷൻ ഓഫ് പേപ്പർ. സോ try to understand what's the matter. Okay, orientation, portrait, then landscape. See the difference. Okay, and the next is margins. Here the default margin is 0.79 for each side, means left, right, top, bottom. All the four sides margins are 0.79. Then here, if you need to change the margin, that you can change. Why we need to change it? Sometimes the content of the document is too long, and it is too long means ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഒരു പേജിൽ കൊള്ളുന്നില്ല എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അടുത്ത പേജിൽ ഒരു 3-4 ലൈൻസ് മാത്രമായിട്ട് നെക്സ്റ്റ് പേജിലേക്ക് കടന്നിരിക്കുന്നു. സോ അങ്ങനെ ഒരു കേസ് വരുവാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും? ദിസ് മാർജിൻസ്, ലെഫ്റ്റ്, റൈറ്റ്, ടോപ്പ് ആൻഡ് ബോട്ടം സൈഡ്സ് നമുക്ക് റെഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുത്തുകൊണ്ട് നെക്സ്റ്റ് പേജിലുള്ള മാറ്ററിനെയും കൂടി നമുക്ക് ഈ ഫസ്റ്റ് പേജിലേക്ക് ഇൻക്ലൂഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ സാധിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, അങ്ങനെയുള്ളൊരു ആവശ്യത്തിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് മാർജിൻസ് സെറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, then these are the page styles here, and the other changes, that is from printer settingsൽ നമ്മൾ സെറ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇതൊക്കെ നമ്മുടെ ഡോക്യുമെന്റിന് നമ്മൾ സെറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. നമ്മുടെ ഡോക്യുമെന്റിനെ ഏത് ടൈപ്പിൽ സെറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാവണം നമുക്ക് പ്രിന്റ് എടുക്കേണ്ടത് എന്നുള്ളതിനെ ഡിസൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, then after making all these changes, you have to click on apply button, then okay. This is the layout of page. Okay, then the next is if the time is exceeding, I can't extend it, so I am looking. Okay, provide page border. What is a page border? For every page, if we are not selecting this page, we cannot see any border. This is the document border only here. Okay, the page there is no borders. So for our text, if we think the border need, if you need, then you can select the document, entire document you can select, then format, page. Here the borders option, different options are there: organizer, page, area, transparency, header, footer, borders, columns, footnote, etc. Okay, here once we had selected the page tab, and we studied how to change the page format. If we need to change the A4 sheet, that also we can change. Okay, then orientation, then margins setting, etc. Then here the next is providing borders. So select the border option. Here 5 types of line arrangements are there. 5 types of line arrangements. First is set no borders. Then second is all 4 line borders. Then third is left and right border only. Then fourth is top and bottom borders only. And the fifth is left border only. Okay, from this I am selecting the second one, or we need to select the all 4 borders. Okay, select the second one. Then line style and color of the line also we can select. Line style and color of the line, and if we need thickness also we can increase. Okay, thickness. Then apply. Okay, yes, now we get the page border also. Today we studied how to arrange or how to format the text, and how to change the paper format when we are taking printout, and how to provide borders, and the rest of the commands let us study in the next session. Okay, thank you.